Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. From the technical point of view, it's not too much to talk about. You can see market mostly stands around the same area. The XLP, that's a recent volatility session, it actually holds the all trading range to the right, so you could see that the recent session was inside one, and the daily chart mostly everything stands the same. Currently, guys, it's really big undercover games stand in United States, in the political arena. So it seems some really big processes right now is going on, and well, we do not know everything what is happening, but definitely something is going on there. So based on the speeches of the recent senators and congressmen, so it seems that the big game stands on the way, and it's not over yet. So probably the first will be the results in Arizona, was the accounting that should come on Monday, and then we will see what will happen. And this really could make impact on markets, depending on what will happen. It's many market participants right now asking what was the actually Donald Trump speech. The first glance, it really brings no information, and many Republican followers were disappointed with this statement. But currently, some new opinion appears that might be some kind of the provocation, and well, it's really some currently big point stands on the stage. On the technical side, on the euro currency, we do not see a reflection of this kind of this stuff, but still we see some tendency to the upside, and I would like to warn you that currently the situation is a bit different compared to what we saw yesterday. So take a look on the 4 time frame chart right now. As I said, we should not treat it as a double repo beta, because it's not really quite hold the proper shape, and the price performance here is not typical for the double repo pattern. And take a look, we have clear signs of the bearish dynamic pressure. So market's going up. As here we have the downward MACD. That might be some suggestion of the coming and possible upward spike. Whether it will be long term and will break out to the upside, or it will be just short term upward action for just washing the top, it's difficult to say, but this is definitely not the bearish type of action. And the same we could say about the kind of the hand and shoulders that we discussed recently. So take a look indeed around the C point when the market has completed the BCD pattern, downside action starts, but this is not the way of the action that you prefer to see on the right arm of the hand and shoulders. This part of the pattern has to be controlled by the bears, and on the final stage, on the slope of the right arm, we would like to see some acceleration to the downside, taking suggesting that bears final is taking the control over the trading process, but currently we do not see it. Yesterday I warned you about this divergence that we have, this hidden divergence, and currently with this new performance right there, if you have taken position here, well, you could just move start to the break even and see what will happen. But at this point, with this type of action, I wouldn't consider taking the new short position by far, because it's really could happen that we will get the upward action here. So that's the thing that I would like to warn you about. So be careful with this, and let's see how it will turn. Maybe the butterfly here will be formed, I do not know. But overall performance looks so that indeed we could get the challenge of this top.